name is Carolyn Twine, and my question is it true that bedtime snacking makes you gain weight?
So the question is, does snacking right before bedtime make you gain weight? As a dietitian, I would say this is a simple idea of calories in versus calories out. If you snack before bed and then go to sleep right after, you're not expending any of the energy you just consumed. Your body goes into a fasting state and it holds on to everything it has because it doesn't know when you're going to feed it again. Some ways to combat this would be eating at least 2 hours before you go to bed so you have time to burn off that energy, going for a walk after you eat, or just cutting out the snack altogether. And the important part of this is to make sure you eat breakfast when you wake up, because breakfast breaks the fast from overnight, so you jumpstart your metabolism for the next day. I would say this myth is confirmed. Eating before bedtime can cause you to gain weight.